Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel and this is your friend Ankita. Today's video is all about skincare and it's about my present skincare routine, which is a morning to evening skincare. But let me just tell you first, I am not into a lot of fuzzy skincare products. I like minimalist makeup, minimalist skincare approach. That's what I really do in my daily basis. Of course, there are days when one really likes to go overboard with these things, but for every day, I like to keep it really simple. So today's skincare products basically are just three products that I use from morning to evening, and now let's begin with the video. This is what I have been using from some time now. This is a brand called Pilgrim and it is their Secrets of Venotherapy skincare range. It is a dawn to dusk skincare regime that I have recently got my hands on, and so far it's been so good. I am enjoying it. Of course, to see a lot of change it takes a lot of time and you need to consistently use the same products, the same brand. So it's been quite some time and till now I have actually really liked it. There are two main ingredients to this range, which is the red wine, not W-I-N-E but V-I-N-E, and vitamin C. It is common in all these three products. Of course, then there is aloe vera, rosehip oil, mulberry and vitamin C also. But yeah, red wine and vitamin C is the main ingredient in all these three products. Now quickly telling you about this brand. Pilgrim is an Indian brand and I really like skincare brands, especially that are made in India, and the packaging is just awesome because there are a lot of Indian brands that do not have great packaging. They look a little cheap and it kind of puts me off, but I was really happy to see when I received these products that they look so beautiful, they look so luxurious. This is the face wash that I use, and then I use this face cream, which is basically a day cream. It is also loaded with SPF 20, and finally there is the night gel cream. These are the only three products that I've been using every day, and it's really easy. Anyone can use it. It's no fuss skincare. Now this brand and this range is 100% vegan. Amazing. It is cruelty free. It has no parabens, no sulfate. It says no to toxic 20 chemicals. These toxic 20 chemicals is also written in their face wash packaging, that what their toxic 20 chemicals are, and there is a link, you can check it out. And it is FDA approved, and very interestingly it is tested by friends and family. I've never seen something like that, you know, tested by friends and family in a makeup or a skincare product. So I think it's very commendable and I really love this brand for taking out this step. Probably they trust it so much that they chose to test it on friends and family. So yeah, that's about it. Now quickly showing you the outer packaging. All these three products, because they're of the same Venotherapy range, they are with the same color and same packaging. They have all their ingredients mentioned on their packaging here, and there is directions to use, and yeah, the branding is there. It also says Pilgrim, join the journey on its packaging. Now quickly showing you, this is the illustration inside the packaging in all three products. It's really beautiful and interesting, and I've not seen this in any brand so far, and especially in an Indian brand. It just makes it feels luxurious and nice. You know, you really feel that you're paying for something which is actually worth it, from the packaging at least. Now coming on the product, so I start my day with the face wash. This is how the face wash bottle looks like. It's a regular bottle. It has all the information inside as well, and the color of this face wash is little pink and it smells like a dream. This is the first thing I apply in the morning on my face, and I really like the aroma, the smell of it. It just feels really nice. This it's just beautiful. So I try to apply this and massage it on my face for 30 to 60 seconds. Second thing that I use is this face cream. Because this is with SPF 30, I use this face cream only after taking a bath, and I think that's how you should do it. And it also comes with a spatula so that there is ease to apply it, and you don't need to poke your fingers inside the jar. Again, a hygienic practice. Finally, I apply the night cream, which is a gel based night cream, and it just feels very light on your face, and it is saffron in color from the inside. It again looks very nice and it feels very nice on your face. So all these three products, the face wash, the day cream and the night gel cream of Veno Therapy, helps with deep cleanse. It helps to moisturize your face, and it helps with regeneration and production of new cells. The main ingredients, the two main ingredients that are common to all these three products is vitamin C and red wine, red VINE, which is a type of a grape, red grape. The red wine is basically great for anti-aging and it enhances your collagen production, and vitamin C also helps to build and restore your collagen. It prevents fine lines, wrinkles, and it nourishes and takes care of your skin. So right now I'm really enjoying these three products and I'm definitely gonna buy it again. It's a very simple and very minimalist skincare routine. I cannot do a lot of products every day, so it just takes care of all my concerns on an everyday basis. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my present skincare routine from morning to evening by Pilgrim, and I really like this brand. Some of the points are really amazing and very unique to this brand that I've really personally not seen in any other brand. So let me know how do you find this video, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care of your skin and use good skincare products. Till then, take care. Bye.